Need to edit video in YouCut app? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily edit. Start by heading over to your application YouCut. Once opened, tap on this plus icon and select any of the project. Or you can click on New Project and select the video from the gallery. Once the video has been selected, it will land you on Space. Tons of different features will be available to you. First of all, you can see the option of Trim. You can trim this video as per your need. Once done, you can also enter the music by tapping on Music feature. Choose specific music from here, or you can even search for it. Once done, tap on Filter and set any of the filter that you want to add. You can also choose any of the effects. Different AI effects will also be visible to you. Select accordingly. After that, click on Text option. Enter the text for the video that you'd like to add. Once done, you can adjust this text anywhere on the screen. You can also change the color and the font. Choose any of the font and color that you'd like to add. Not only that, you can also add animation to the text. Set the range accordingly. You can also add stickers to it. Click on Sticker. Likewise, other tons of different options will be available to you. Captions, enhance, record, rotate, flip, crop, and many more. Try using this feature for your video and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.